How to make money on TikTok as a TikTok affiliate. First, you have to make sure that you are already a TikTok affiliate. Once you already logged in on TikTok, tap on the plus icon. Import a video showcasing a specific product, for example, a music box. You can add sound, add filters, or anything to improve it. Add a product link. Look for the product and make sure it's the same as to what you are promoting. Add product to video. Once you've done that, make sure to create a catchy caption and add some relevant hashtags. Once you're done, your video is now ready to post. As what you can see, you have a yellow basket on your video. And when you click on that, you can see that for every sale that you can make because of that video, you will be earning 10% commission. And that's how you can earn money as a TikTok affiliate.